Welcome back to Daily Motivation. Today we're diving into one of the most transformative periods in human history, the Industrial Revolution. This era didn't just change the way we work, it revolutionized society, technology, and the economy on a global scale. In just a few minutes, we'll explore how it all happened. So, let's get started. The Industrial Revolution was a period of rapid industrialization that began in the late 18th century, starting in the United Kingdom and spreading across Europe and North America. But what exactly does industrialization mean? Before the revolution, most goods were produced by hand in small workshops or at home, a system known as cottage industries. But with the advent of new machines, like the spinning jenny and the steam engine, production shifted to large factories. This shift wasn't just about speed, it was a complete transformation of how things were made. Several key inventions powered the Industrial Revolution. For example, James Watt's improvements to the steam engine in the 1770s allowed factories to be powered by steam, rather than relying on water or animal power. Richard Arkwright's water frame in 1769 revolutionized the textile industry by automating the spinning process, leading to the establishment of the first true factories. Beyond textiles, transportation and communication saw massive advancements. The development of railways and steamships enabled faster movement of goods and people, while the telegraph revolutionized communication, shrinking the world in ways never before imagined. These innovations didn't just connect places, they connected people, ideas, and economies on an unprecedented scale. The Industrial Revolution didn't just change how things were made, it transformed society. Cities grew rapidly as people moved from rural areas to work in factories, leading to the rise of urbanization. However, this also brought about significant social challenges, including overcrowded living conditions, poor sanitation, and harsh working environments. For many, life in the new industrial cities was a daily struggle. Child labor was rampant, with children working long hours in dangerous conditions for minimal pay. This sparked early labor movements and led to crucial reforms, including the Factory Acts in the UK, which eventually improved working conditions and limited the hours that children and women could work. These reforms were hard-won victories, laying the groundwork for modern labor rights. The Industrial Revolution didn't stay confined to Europe. Its impact spread globally, influencing economies and societies around the world. Countries like the United States, Germany, and Japan rapidly industrialized, leading to increased global trade and competition. But this expansion also had darker consequences. This period also laid the groundwork for imperialism, as industrialized nations sought raw materials and markets for their goods, often at the expense of colonized regions. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution is still with us today. It paved the way for the technological advancements that define modern life, from the assembly lines of the 20th century to the digital revolution of the 21st. But it also raised critical questions about progress, innovation, and human welfare, questions we're still grappling with today. And that's a wrap on our journey through the Industrial Revolution. This era was a turning point that reshaped every aspect of society, laying the foundation for the world we live in today. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. What other historical events would you like to explore? Let us know in the comments below.